The item in this box is kind of sentimental to me. Let me tell you why. Take a look at these elevators. Look at this elevator. Does that look familiar to you? Because it used to look just like this. That's right. One of the elevators in Blackburn was modded, but as of now, one is still original. Well, I recently friended the elevator tech who works on these elevators on Facebook. And this was laying around in facilities management. So a big thank you to Michael. Let's see what's in here. This is hard to open. Wow, he really boxed this up good. I think the UPS stored it. Let's see what's in here. Sides. Oh wow, how do you open this thing? Huh. Oh wow, I've never seen a box like this. Ooh, look at all these peanuts. This is going to be messy. Got a DC Elevator Company hat. That's awesome. I love the hat. Let's see what's in here. It's all wrapped up. And let's see if we do this without making a mess. So far, so good. All right, we're gonna take the foil, the bubble wrap off this. All right, we have now extracted the item. So let's cut the bubble wrap and see exactly what this is. It was wrapped very good. So here we go, unwrapping. Let's speed it up a little bit. Does it look familiar? That's right. This is the car panel from Blackburn Science Building. I am very sentimental about this because this used to be one of my favorite elevators at Murray State University. As a matter of fact, guess what? I even got stuck in this elevator at one point. So, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and Michael, a big thank you.